Good morning and thank you for joining us for Monday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
Gold prices rose on Friday, holding close to record highs hit during the week, as signs of a weakening US labour market reinforced expectations. The Federal Reserve will deliver its first rate cut of the year next week. Britain's FTSE 100 reversed earlier gains to close lower, dragged down by consumer staples and healthcare stocks, while investors assessed key domestic economic data. The blue-chip FTSE 100 closed down 0.2%, but registered its second straight weekly gain. US investors dumped equity funds in the week to September 10th, booking profits at record highs and cutting exposure on caution over lofty valuations and geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and Ukraine.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. Crude oil prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
The next few days will feature a busy economic calendar showcasing important reports that range in significance. Market participants should stay alert for possible fluctuations as these updates are made public. Anticipating market reactions to these updates will be vital for traders. Having an adaptable approach can help manage risk and take advantage of sudden market movements.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Monday's financial review. And on behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. And be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.